Before we continue, I strictly want to make it clear that this video is for educational purposes only. All actions demonstrated in this video are performed in a controlled environment using tools that are legally available for ethical hacking and cybersecurity learning. Please do not use these tools on any system without explicit permission. Right now we are in Kali Linux virtual machine. To use FoxyProxy, first of all go to Firefox and click on this extension icon. Now in the search bar type FoxyProxy. Okay, we are here on the add-on space. You can see FoxyProxy standard. This is the Firefox extension we need, so click on it. Now click on add to Firefox. If this pop-up appears, just click add, and here check this box and click OK. Okay, we have successfully added FoxyProxy to Firefox. Now let's configure it. To do that, once again click on this extension icon and you'll be able to see FoxyProxy. Click on it and here click options. Now click this proxies heading and just beside this filter bar click add. Here we need to provide the details of the proxy server. In this title, let's give the name Burp Suite. And here in host name, we need to type the IP address used by Burp Suite. And here in port, we need to type the port number used by Burp Suite. To find those details, let's open Burp Suite. So let's go to the whisker menu. In search bar, type Burp. As you do that, you can see Burp Suite here. Now click on it. If this pop-up appears, just click OK. Okay, Burp Suite is open. Now click next. And here be sure to select use burp defaults and click start burp. Again, if this pop-up appears, you can just click OK. Now here in Burp Suite, I want you to go to proxy heading. And under proxy, click on proxy settings. Okay, here I can see the IP address, which is 127.0.0.1 and the port number is 8080. So let's put these details in FoxyProxy. Host name is 127.0.0.1 and the port number is 8080. Now click save. Okay, that's done. Now if we click on this extension icon once again and click on FoxyProxy, you will be able to see Burp Suite here. We want to use this proxy server, so you can click on it. After that, let's go to Burp Suite. Here under the proxy heading, you can see the intercept off button. You can click on it. This will allow Burp Suite to start listening to traffic. Now after we do that, let's go to Firefox and access the website we want to test. You can see it here. Burp Suite has started intercepting the traffic, and this is how you use Burp Suite with FoxyProxy in Firefox. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching. If you found this video useful, please hit that like and subscribe button. I'll be back with another video.